In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Manychat. Understanding how to reach out to Manychat is crucial, especially if you face any challenges or need further assistance with the platform. Whether you're a seasoned user or a beginner, it's always helpful to know how to get support when you need it. Let's jump right in and go through this process together. First, you'll need to visit the Manychat website. Open your favorite browser and enter the Manychat URL in the address bar, or simply click the link if you have it handy. You'll arrive at the Manychat homepage, which is where our journey begins. The next step is to sign into your account. You'll see a sign in button prominently displayed on the screen. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you use Facebook to log in, make sure you're logged into the correct account beforehand. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your Manychat home. Now that you're in, navigate to the Home tab. This is your dashboard where you can access various features and settings within Manychat. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the layout to navigate seamlessly whenever you need to access specific tools or information. With the dashboard open, direct your attention to the Help option. It's your gateway to solving any issues you're experiencing. Clicking on the Help button is your next step. This is usually located in the top or side navigation bar depending on the interface version you're using. Once you've clicked on Help, a drop down menu will appear, and from this menu you're going to select Help Center. The Help Center is a fantastic resource that Manychat offers. It is packed with articles, FAQs and other resources to empower you with knowledge and solutions to common and complex issues alike. In the Help Center, you can browse through topics, search for specific queries, or explore featured articles that provide in-depth guidance on a wide array of topics. If your issue is not resolved through the available resources, Manychat also offers options to contact their support team directly through the Help Center. Usually there's an option to submit a ticket or chat with a representative when available. Remember, the Help Center is your friend. Make use of it not just in pressing situations, but also to enhance your understanding of Manychat's capabilities. By following these steps, you can effectively contact Manychat whenever the need arises, ensuring you're never stuck on your own. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.